action with us. So we just saw one team that couldn't get ahead, and now to a team that got a whole bunch of them last night. The Twins after Royal Zach Greinke on the mound, coming in 5-1, 2.89 ERA. Joe Mauer, though, right away, giving the Twins a 2-0 lead, and they were just getting started, Timmy.
He's got the hiccup. 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 Hiccup.